Well, he did leave pretty suddenly, and he's good at hiding.
In other words, you have no idea you're useless.
Don't blame this on me, you ugly hag. I'm short on manpower.
Manpower.
First, start off with primer. Then foundation. Fill in your eyebrows with black eyeshadow. And if they're too thick, narrow them down with foundation. Next, I'm doing my extreme cat wing, like Lust. And I'm dragging the eyeliner down to half my bottom eyelid. Here's something my friend taught me. Put mahogany in the crease, mahogany eyeshadow, and put a lighter color on the eyelid. And of course, blend it out. This will help you have a mature look. And put some white eyeshadow or eyeliner in your waterline. So as you can see, my makeup is a little wiped clean because I was tearing crazy because I had a sneeze attack. I did my mascara off camera though. And the final touch is the lips. Use red lipstick or black, whichever version you're doing.